everyone, I am Purnavalli, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see how to find a steady state distribution from a transition probability matrix of a Markov chain. So we have two methods to find a steady state distribution. So first method is, first we have to write a given transition probability matrix. Our matrix is P is equal to 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So before that we have to define what is steady state distribution, so that pi is equal to matrix pi 1 pi 2 be the steady state distribution of the chain. So if the transition probability matrix is regular, it just takes the form that is 1 minus matrix 1 minus A, B, 1 minus B. So how to find a transition probability matrix is regular. So if all the entries of transition probability matrix is positive, that matrix we can call it as regular. So if P is equal to 1 minus A, B, 1 minus B, then our steady state distribution will be B by A plus B, A by A plus B. So next we have to compare this P matrix and given transition probability matrix. From this we can get A value as 1 and B value as 1 by 2. So A value as 1, B value as 1 by 2. So then you have to find out A plus B value for denominator. So what is A plus B value, which is 3 by 2. So we have to substitute A, B value and A plus B value in pi. So that which is our formula. So pi is equal to 1 by 2, which is A divided by A plus B, which is 3 by 2. B divided by A plus B, which is pi is equal to B divided by A plus B. In second place, that is A divided by A plus B, which is 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, 1 by 3 by 2, which is 1 by 3. Pi is equal to matrix 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So we have another method, that is a given matrix have to satisfy two conditions, which is pi times of P is equal to pi. Second condition is pi 1 plus pi 2 is equal to 1. So we'll take a first condition, that is pi times of P is equal to pi. So we know that pi, we defined it as matrix pi 1, pi 2. P is given transition probability matrix, and again pi is given steady state distribution, that is pi 1, pi 2. So in next step we have to multiply these two matrix. So I'm going to multiply this first row with first column. So we'll get 1 by 2, pi 2. Then we have to multiply first row, second column. From this you can get pi 1 plus 1 by 2 pi 2, which is equal to pi 1 pi 2. So next you have to compare first place of the two matrix. So you'll get 1 by 2 pi by 2 is equal to pi 1. Then pi 1 plus 1 by 2 pi 2, which is equal to pi 2. Take this as equation 1, this as equation 2. So from next step, we can use our second condition, which is pi 1 plus pi 2 is equal to 1. So we can substitute our first equation in this condition. So we get pi 1 as 1 by 2 pi 2 plus pi 2, which is equal to 1. So you will get 3 by 2 pi 2, which is equal to 1. So pi 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2. So you got pi is equal to 2 by 3. Next you have to find pi 1 by equation 1. You can get pi 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 pi 2. So we know that pi 2 value is 2 divided by 3. So 1 by 2 into 2 divided by 3. We can cancel out these 2. So you'll get 1 by 3. Pi 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore, our steady state distribution pi is equal to matrix 1 by 3, which is pi 1, 2 by 3. Okay. So we'll go a quick recall. So before I told that we have two methods to find steady state distribution. So we'll go with the first method, that is, first you have to find given matrix is regular or not. If it is a regular, you have a form, you have a general form of transition probability matrix, which is a probability P is equal to matrix of 1 minus A, B, 1 minus B. The steady state distribution also defined for regular matrix. So that is B by A plus B, A by A plus B. So once you confirmed that given matrix, given transition probability matrix is regular, you can compare this form with your given transition matrix. From that you can get A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 by 2. From that you can get A plus B value. So you have to substitute these values in pi. So you'll get steady state distribution from the given transition matrix. You have another method, which is you have to apply two conditions, which is first condition is pi times of P is equal to pi. Pi is equal to pi 1, pi 2. P is our transition probability matrix. So pi is also pi 1, matrix pi 1, pi 2. Then you have to multiply these two matrices and you have to equate the corresponding places. From that you can get two equations. So using this two equation, you have to substitute in second condition, which is pi 1 plus pi 2 is equal to 1. From this you can get pi 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So you have to substitute pi 2 is equal to 2 by 3 in equation 1. So you will get pi 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So you can get pi is equal to 1 by 3, matrix 1 by 3, 2 by 3 as a steady state distribution of a transition probability matrix. Thank you.